The macro split pattern behaves similarly to the CAD function split piece in the menu split/trim. Unlike the CAD function, pieces containing an active mirror line can be selected. Start the macro. Select the splitting line. The piece name will remain for the side your cursor is positioned in as you click the line. The other side will receive a new name. Once finished, the macro can be repeated with a right click. To end the macro, click left. While splitting, the grading of the selected line is transferred for both pieces. Make sure to grade your splitting position in advance.